In 2004, Dr. Nilanjan Chattopadhyay, along with few other students of IMT Ghaziabad, founded MADIF, the social club of IMT Ghaziabad, with a noble thought of upliftment of underprivileged section of the society. So now let's hear what he has to say about MADIF.
Started MADIF long ago with a basic objective of helping people who are less fortunate than us. And we made a very humble beginning, but it's great that MADIF is doing well and you are doing too many things together along with your studies, which is fantastic. And in the days to come, I wish to see MADIF climb much above and do good to the society, do well with your studies, but at the same time be good citizens. MADIF will give you the joy of giving. MADIF will bring you close to the society. MADIF will bring you close to the people. Join MADIF.
This is the only club that I've seen actually making a difference to the life of students currently. I've worked with MADIF very closely. When it came to Legal Saraswati Puja, we organized book distribution camp for the poor kids. It gives you a lot of satisfaction. You do not get into MADIF, I feel. You're made for MADIF. People I know in MADIF, like, hats off to them. Probably this is one fact that no one knows about MADIF, but amongst all the clubs and all the committees in IMT Ghaziabad, and I mean all of them, MADIF is the only club that works every day from 9 to 12. They do work from 9 to 12 every day. They're working hours of fixed. And the kind of qualities that you need to get into MADIF is that you just need to have a heart. You have wonderful seniors and you'll have a great time working with them. And I wish you all the best and I hope you can take the legacy forward because we have big shoes to fill. Best of luck to all of you.
काफ़ी अच्छा लगा कि आपने अपना टाइम निकाल कर इन बच्चों के साथ जो लोग हैंडीकैप्ड हैं और जो लोग अपने से कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आपने उनको टाइम दिया और अच्छे से उनको मतलब उनके साथ आपने अपने आप को इन्वॉल्व किया इतना बिजी शेड्यूल होते हुए भी, और इन लोगों को बेसिकली एक लव, अफेक्शन और अटैचमेंट की बहुत ज़रूरत है इन सभी बच्चों को, तो इट्स वेरी अप्रिशिएबल और मैं इस चीज़ को बहुत अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ।
MADIF is all about bringing a smile to people's face. The activities that MADIF they undertake, that brings you closer to life, that brings you closer to reality. My personal experience with working with MADIF for a couple of events was overwhelming and it cannot be described in words.
And I feel MADIF is in fact one of the best club at IMT Ghaziabad because this is the only club which talks of doing something back to the society. CSR initiatives are being taken by in fact most of the companies nowadays, and MADIF is in fact giving you a feel of that thing. Okay, there are activities like Sashakt you are having for women empowerment, SRs where you are doing something for the special children, or something like blood donation camps which you are doing. I think these are all very good activities which gives you a feel that what we are and what we can do for society. And then you are having a very wonderful initiative, Prayatan, where you are talking about the problem which the poor or the underprivileged people are facing, and then you are giving solution to that thing. I think this is a combination of society plus entrepreneurship. So I feel MADIF is one of the best activity at IMT, and I will suggest in fact all of you to be a part of it. Thank you.
Hi guys, I just want to tell you that being a part of MADIF was one of the best things that I ever did. And there are two reasons why I would want you to be a part of MADIF: for yourself and for the smile that you get.
My name is Vaibhav. I'm a mechanical engineer. And since my entire life I have been working only for myself. In the past 1 year, I have given a part to the society, a part of myself, a part of my time, a part of my heart to society. MADIF. Kudos to them. They did a splendid job the entire year. Right to the orphanages, to the slums, to the children. MADIF,
Club of I
and the Madam keeps on organizing various events. It gave me an opportunity to be a part of a event that was the growth distribution drive for underprivileged people. Therein we were not distributing clothes, distributing happiness, smiles to people who could not afford that. So I would like to say that is the best Independence Day I ever had in my life.